Hello YouTube, how are you today? Just want to give a quick update. I know it's been a while, but progress is still being worked on for Dragon Rails. Um, I have done a lot of refactoring on the internal structure, and I kind of moved away from fixed 3D models for each hex to a height map. So you can kind of see the outline of the height map. This will be fixed later once with the water shader, but now it no longer looks like weird 3D models just hovering above this water shader. The main thing is underneath this height map, you have pixel coordinates. And one of the first things I did was move all the level loading from a text file that I load to actually be a level editor within the Godot engine itself. So I have this new custom class and all these new custom um, hex classes down here. So up here, if I go to add hex, I click on this, and then I click on a hex grid location. It will add this little kind of hex ghost line, and then it'll raise all the terrain underneath it up into a hex shape. Right now, and also change the texture on the top. Doesn't look super great right now, but that's been worked on. Essentially, uh, there's going to be some procedural noise generated to kind of smooth out the look of this and kind of gradually raise it up, and then some blending with the textures on top. As you can see, there's looks a little funky right now. In addition, the game itself kind of went through. Let me turn this water back on. Kind of went through some changes and which broke a couple things. Um, but testing it out, you'll notice there's one bug where if I don't change the height map within the editor, like it doesn't save the changes. It's a little annoying. This all still works, but because of the changes I made, there's a little more tweaking I have to do to kind of make it look and feel right the same as before. This was a pretty big undertaking. It required a lot of changes on the back end, and that's probably why you haven't heard from me for a while. Also, some other life updates. But that's it for now. Hopefully, once this is working well, the visuals of it will look much better, and progress will speed up much quicker. Thank you for watching. Cheers.